Good day to all of you. Today we shall study division operation from relational algebra in DBMS. Let's start the session. So to solve this problem we are taking three relations as input relations. As an example, one is course, second one is enroll, third is student relation. So course relation stores the subject related details, that is course ID, that is subject ID. So C name, that is for subject name, and this is offering department. So these three are the column names or attributes in course relation. So the data is C1, C2, C3 are the three CIDs, that is course IDs. Respective course names are AI Introduction, ML, DBMS, and offering departments are AI and CS. So these two subjects are offered by AI department and this subject is offered by CS department. So that is about course relation. Student relation has student details, that is the column names are SID for student ID, S name for student name. The data is S1, S2, S3 are the three students IDs and respective names Alice, Bob and Charlie. So that is about student relation. So enroll table has to which course or subject the student has enrolled. The column names are student ID and course ID. So S1 student has enrolled to two courses, that is C1 and C2. Okay. S2 student has enrolled to only one course, that is C1. S3 student has enrolled to three courses, that is C1, C2, C3. So that is about enroll table. So now the problem is we have to find students who have enrolled to all the courses offered by AI department. So AI is offering two courses, C1, C2. So we have to find which students have enrolled to all the courses that are offered by AI department. So for that we'll have to write relational algebraic expression. So in which steps this problem can be solved so that equivalent SQL queries we will be able to write in the end. For that we'll have to write a set of relational algebraic expression and this needs division operation. So the solution of this problem needs division operation. Okay. So that we shall see next. How to write relational algebraic expression to solve this problem. So the steps we follow to solve these problems are: from course table we select only course IDs of the subjects or courses which are offered by AI department. So only these we will take. Next, student ID and course ID pairs we will take. That is this from enroll table. So whatever we get student ID and course ID pairs, that will be divided by this course ID values. So this divided by this relation, when we do, we get the students IDs who have enrolled to all the courses offered by AI department. So once we have student IDs, next we can find the student names from student table in the next step. Okay, so this is the approach to the problem. So in the first step this is the algebraic expression to get all the course IDs offered by AI department. So this select operation from input relation, that is course, selects only those rows in which DEPT has value AI. So DEPT has value AI. Okay. Here CS is there, that row will not be selected. So that is what is this select operation is doing. So the output of select operation, that is given as input to project operation next. So output of select operation means these two rows. So in that project operation is selecting only CID column. Only CID column means this column will be selected. So this is the output which is saved in intermediate relation, that is AI courses. So AI courses intermediate relation will be this. It will be having C1, C2 as data and only one column, that is CID. Okay. So that step 1 output we are writing this way. AI courses intermediate relation has the data C1, C2. Okay. In next step we will get student course pairs from enroll table. So from enroll table, student and course pairs means S1 C1 first pair, second one is S1 C2, S2 C1, S3 C1, S3 C2 and S3 C3. This way there 6 course pairs we get. For that we'll have to take enroll table and project only these two columns. So enroll table is taken as input, project operation is used. In that only SID, CID columns are projected. So this is the relational algebraic expression to get student course pairs from enroll table, and this output is saved in intermediate relation student courses. So we have written second step output here. Okay. So after step 1 and step 2, which are groundwork or preparatory work for division operation. Okay. In third step, actual division operation is carried out. So the relational algebraic expression for division operation is this. Student courses, that is this set is taken or relation divided by AI courses. So that is this set or relation. When we do that, the output relation will be, or the output will be S1, S3. So that is kept in resulting relation, that is result relation. So students enroll means you see to enroll table. If you verify S1, S3, S1 is enrolled to C1, C2, S3 is also enrolled to C1, C2. So C3 is extra, that we shall not consider now. But the point is S3 has enrolled to both C1 and C2. S1 also has enrolled to both C1 and C2. Whereas S2 has enrolled to only C1. Only S1 and S3 out of 3 students have enrolled to both the courses, that is C1 and C2. So this is very important because C1 and C2 are the courses offered by AI department, and hence S1, S3 are the students who have enrolled to all the courses offered by AI department. So this is our answer. To get student names from this result relation, student relation is taken, that is joined with result relation. So this relation is joined with this result relation. Based on the condition where SID equal to SID, then we will get final answer, that is Alice and Charlie. If you verify S1 and S3, so S1 and S3, their names are Alice and Charlie. So finally, who are the students? Only ID if you take S1, S3. If you find the names in fourth step, Alice and Charlie. So Alice and Charlie are the students who have enrolled to all the courses offered by AI department. So step by step output we shall list here. In the first step, we collected course IDs offered by AI department, and that was saved in AI courses intermediate relation. Then student courses intermediate relation is obtained, that is student ID and course ID pairs. So the student courses intermediate relation divided by AI courses relation, that is done in third step. So one observation here is AI department is offering 2 courses. S1 has enrolled to both the courses. S2 has enrolled to only one course, hence he is not there in the list. S3 has enrolled to 3 courses. Extra is okay. Anyway, that student has enrolled to both the courses offered by AI department. Hence, what result we have got, that S1 and S3 are the students who have enrolled to all the courses offered by AI department, that is Alice and Charlie are the students who have enrolled to all the courses offered by AI department is correct. Okay, so that completes the solution. So with that we come to the end of the discussion on division operation from relational algebra in DBMS. In division operation, we saw that this student ID and course pairs, when it is divided by course ID pairs, we got the student IDs S1, S3. So S1 has both the values C1, C2 here. S3 has both the values C1, C2 here. Extra is okay, but S2 has only C1, hence it is not there in the output list. So that is what is division operation. This we have seen in detail. Okay. So for such kind of processing, here division operation is used. That we have to understand and remember, so that in future any such problems we come across, they can be solved using division operation. So once again, if we do observe, C1, C2 are present for which all this data, that student ID. So in such problem statements we need division operation. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.